people! So we got a busy day today, and like, this weather is ridiculous. The bus never came, and I have an appointment at 10 to check out another apartment, and so we're going to drop him off. And then after that, we're going to the apartment, and then we have to wait for him to get back off the bus, and then we have like a couple more things to do today, and we're gonna plan on going to the botanical center. Oh, what? A truck, yeah! He's putting out all the trucks. So, today is gonna be a busy day. Oh my god, y'all. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. I don't know what happened. I pressed record, and then it just started snapping pictures of me, and like, wow. Anyways, the weather is bad, y'all. Like, I mean, it's not that bad, but the wind blowing the snow into your face is kind of annoying. I got blinded a couple times, so literally, I've been going around with like this, so I don't get any in my eyes, but it's not like super cold or anything. While we're waiting for Augustus to get back from school, we did go to a couple places to price some things for this van that my boyfriend got. It has a few things wrong with it, but we got, because it's better for traveling, because I want to go travel more places and do videos on that, especially around my state. So we got that, but we're pricing some things. And now we're waiting for Augustus to get home, which he should be here soon. I don't know, like an hour. I don't even know what time it is, but then we're gonna go to the botanical center in this because we're nuts. So yeah, we're gonna do that. And we've been trying to go for like a week, but stuff kept happening. And now that we are making time to go, it is having a snowstorm. want to get in the chair?
Come here.
Want to get in the chair?
Hi, Mommy.
Say hi.
Hey, say hi. What? Smile. Okay.
Good thing I wasn't taking a picture. Woo!
Alright, let's go.
What do you see? See the bottom? That is the weirdest thing I have ever seen. Alright, so that was the Botanical Center, and in my opinion isn't worth the price that they actually charge here. So I'm glad that we got a discount, and plants don't really interest me a whole lot, but the fountain water, or what are they called? The waterfalls. Was pretty relaxing, and Gus really liked it, but there wasn't a whole lot to do in there, so we were kind of in and out pretty quickly. I mean, we were in there for maybe, what, 10 minutes?
Like 25 minutes.
Maybe 25 minutes. And I guess Gus really liked it, so when we tried to transition him out, he dropped himself to the floor and was pretty mad. And now we are going to go to Walmart to get some grocery shopping done. He doesn't like to be cooped up in the house all the time, so we're trying to get him out besides school, but there isn't very many places we can take him in this weather, so we decided to try the Botanical Center. He really did like it, and he was very happy. But, like I said, we're going to go get some groceries now, and then, I don't know what after that, probably home.
A few moments later.
Come on!
One eternity later.
As you can tell, I have problems when I take him to the store, which is why I don't go alone usually. Tim was doing something, and I didn't get to vlog much because I had him in one hand while pushing the cart and shopping with the other. And one woman gave me props for that. She said it was awesome the way I was doing it. But I had to make sure he didn't run off. Every now and then I would put him down, but he would try to run again. So I just kind of held him for most of it while he was fighting me, but I did it. And I got him some beans and macaroni to play with for Century Play, and he seems to like it. Yeah.
Running out of memory in your phone already?
See that? No, I had to flip it. The only way to do that is to stop it. Sorry, talking to my boyfriend about how my camera works. Bye, Felicia.
I gotta grab something before I go out. I gotta go out to the van.
But he really likes this, moving back and forth, which is what I thought he would do with the marbles, but he didn't. He's doing it with this, though. But there's a lot more in it that I could manage with the marbles. If you've seen one of my older videos, it was kind of like a fail. The water beads was a success. Connected sand was so-and-so. Whoops, watch out. But I've been doing different things to see what works with him. He's not the easiest to find country to play for. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, child. Child! Ah! Try to keep it in the container. In the container. Do you feel me, bro? Container. There you go. Good job. We're doing it. Woohoo! Woohoo! So, that was our day. It was weird at the Botanical Center because last time I went there, I was in middle school, so that was like 10 years ago. And the tables looked different, and the last time I went, a long time ago, it seemed a lot bigger, and there was birds, but maybe it just seemed bigger because I was smaller. I don't know. Tim thinks the same thing because when he was younger, it looked bigger too. Sorry about the lighting. But, it don't have birds anymore. It now has a restaurant, and that's why they don't have birds anymore. I'm not really sure how long the restaurant has been there, but it was still boring to me now as it was then. The only reason I liked it then was there was birds. I go for the animals, not the plants. That sounds bad. Anyways, I'm gonna hang out with this little demon, and I'm gonna end the vlog here and just relax because carrying him through Walmart and fighting him kind of took a toll on me, and I'm tired. So, talk to y'all later. Bye, guys. I'm making homemade macaroni that already tried to kill me once. It's possessed by the demon, I swear. I also think I'm getting sick. I had like a migraine earlier, so it didn't like dawn on me I might be getting sick. Well, now I have a sore throat, the sniffles, and more head issues, and I'm red, but it could be because I've had a busy day and I fought Gus in Walmart.